Welcome, and thank you for flying with us this afternoon. Sherry and I had a chance to hang out at the hanging flume at mile marker 82 on Colorado Highway 141 yesterday morning. I was able to break out the mini drone before it got too warm. I took a brief flight out and over the Dolores River as it passes through the canyon. This is the area where the mining was conducted when the flume was operating near the turn of the 20th century. The reason why I find the area so striking is the bright and contrasting tones the desert sandstone layers make in the bright afternoon sun. Sunsets in the area are like no other as well. I hope you enjoy this 5-minute flight. At Trikes, Travel, and the Tagabauche, it is our goal to ride trikes to local sites and attractions and capture drone images for review. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Thanks for spending time with us, and we hope you enjoyed the stunning vistas that are part of the scenery of the Dolores River Canyon. Please feel free to like and subscribe to help us support our work. Have a great afternoon.